In this video, I will show you exactly how to sync your Govee lights together to create a stunning and unified atmosphere in any room. You need to ensure that the Govee Home app is installed on your smartphone and that all of your individual devices are already paired and connected to your local network. Once you have confirmed your lights are active, open the app and look for the Dream View or Group Control feature located on the home screen. This powerful tool is the secret to getting everything working in perfect harmony. You will want to tap on the plus icon to start a new synchronization group. From the list of available devices, select the primary light that will act as the master controller for the rest of your setup. After selecting your main light, you can then add the sub-devices that you want to follow its patterns and colors. One of the best parts about this process is the ability to map your lights based on their physical location in the room. Make sure to save your settings so you can activate the scene with a single tap in the future. Now your lights are officially synced and ready to transform your space with beautiful and synchronized lighting effects.